3, 2, 1. Hey, skiers and boarders in the Southeast, big weekend ahead. It's President's Day weekend. A lot of us have a 3-day weekend. It's a huge ski weekend in the Southeast. And just in time for the big weekend, we've got both cold and, yes, some natural snow heading to all the resorts in the Southeast. This little system moving through the Midwest right now, and the upper Midwest is really the Arctic front. It extends back into the plains. You see a little bit of snow with it. But what's interesting, the model runs tonight. We're starting to see this thing crank up a little bit near the North Carolina coast, and we may see snow in areas east of the mountains that we don't normally see snow. Here's how things unfold. This is early Friday morning. Here comes our Arctic front. You notice probably late in the afternoon, we're going to start to see snow from Garrett County up near Wisp, all the way down to Winter Place, all the way down to Beach Sugar, Cataloochee, all the resorts will start to see snow during the late afternoon, early evening hours on Friday. But as we go through Friday night, I think the model's underdoing the amount of northwest flow that's going to be picked up. Because if you look, you see the snow coming off of Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, and Lake Superior. There will be some moisture enhancement from the lake. But look at this snow east of the mountains, from Charlotte to Raleigh, maybe all the way out towards the coast. As that thing cranks up, there's going to be another burst of snow up and down the entire chain here, and I think we will add some very fluffy snow at that, because this is Arctic air. It's going to be very dry and very cold Saturday night into Sunday morning. Look at that streamer. That's why I think Snowshoe again could end up with some pretty big totals. I'm going kind of conservative now, 6 inches. I wouldn't be shocked if it's closer to 8, because we're going to fluff up that snow. So this is going to be fresh powder on Sunday into Monday, because temperatures will be cold. They'll likely be blowing snow in all these locations. Watch your futurecast here up and down the chain. It really starts on Friday night to Saturday morning. Notice the snow that actually picks up east of the mountains there. But right there, you see that? Maybe 6 to 10 inches. I wouldn't be surprised to get some 8-inch totals. It really is going to be one of those liquid to snowfall ratio type things. It may start as a wet snow, but as it fluffs up, we may increase the totals as we go through the weekend. So President's Day weekend, here's your ski forecast for all the northern resorts in the Southeast. Snow, windy, turning cold, 3 to 6 inches. That's from Friday night all the way through Sunday afternoon, and this could be maybe 8 inches in some isolated spots, maybe 10 inches. Garrett County, you know how Wisp is. They end up getting clobbered sometimes. 20s for highs, and we're talking low 20s, maybe upper teens, morning lows in the teens. Rain changing to snow late Friday, 2 to 4 inches. This is a little safer bet here in the North Carolina mountains, Beach and Sugar, Cataloochee. Cataloochee actually could end up with a pretty good total down there towards the Smokies, and temperatures very cold, so snowmaking will be a 24/7 operation starting Friday night through the entire weekend, so they'll be able to fill in anything. And with grooming, I think we could have an absolute picture-perfect 3-day weekend for skiing. If you're a ski resort in the Southeast, the timing of this weather could not be more perfect. So I hope you had a great Valentine's Day. This is a great present to all of you. We've got gorgeous weather for skiing, natural snow and cold temperatures, and on top of that, I'm already eyeing next week. We've got a big storm possible the end of next week. So if you think winter's over, it's not. We've got a really active pattern here for the last 2 weeks of February, which could make for a huge end to the ski season, maybe extending us well into March, maybe even early April in a lot of the resorts, especially that have a good snowpack. So I hope you have a great weekend. Enjoy the fresh powder, especially up in West Virginia, Garrett County, all the way down to Beach and Sugar. Should be a great weekend for skiing. I'll see you next week. Until then, have a great weekend, and always think snow.